In the next episode of Ozark Seri, Alia escape will carry the story far from the familiar mansion into the elegant and uneasy world Warner built in a bed past. Warner will come to Alia and Dennis into a restaurant after closing time, preparing same meal and Alia loved years ago and speaking as true. No time has passed between them. He will offer to security legal spot and he a new beginning, but Alia will make it clear that she did not come to receive an old romance. Her heart remained with Sihan, even she believed returning to him would be beginning to death its door, and however to be would beginning death to is this door. Yvonne's will hide this disappointment behind the kindness. Dennis, however, will sense to tension and ask Yvonne why know so much about their lives. That innocent question will expose the first crack in Yvonne's story. He will admit that Burhan connected him months earlier, asking questions about to Alia's past, searching from anything that could be separate from Sihan. Yvonne claimed he refused to cooperate, but Alia will wonder why he never warned her. Meanwhile, Sihan tries Aleha movement through a payment made with our old emergency card against Sadakat advice. He will travel after leaving Kaya to protect the family from new threat represented from by Kartal. Sihan arrive at a Warner restaurant will be quiet but explosive. He will see to Aliha laughing from briefly moment with Dennis, Warner and image that strike him harder than any weapon. Insists of creating a public scene. He will wait until the Aliha is alone and ask only one question. Did she believe she stopped choosing him or because someone stole her choice? Alia will try to maintain the lie, but Sihan will place her wedding ring on a table, repeat this word from hidden message. Realizing he know about their threat, Alia defense will begin to clap before she can explain. Ivana will interrupt and excuse to Sihan of bringing danger into every place Alia tried to make safe. The confrontation revealed two different ideas of love. Yvonne's offer distance from conflict while Sihan offered to partnership into the prize and demand the both men leave. Her decision to her final twist will come to restaurant security system shut down. Armed instructor entered through the kitchen. Sihan and Yvonne's will be forced to fight side by side, protect to Alia and Dennis. After attacker are defected, one of them whisper Kartal name. Alia will realize that running not protected anyone. She will look to at Sihan and say the return together, but Imonner secretly receive a message revealing that Kurtal accept him to keep Aliha away from Mardin at any cost.